As always, you have been gracious and kind and very hospitable.
So people had a wonderful time. And I think the Chicagoans that they interacted with couldn't have been more gracious and more hospitable. So I could not have been prouder. Now,
peace with justice means refusing to condemn our children to a harsher, less hospitable planet. In the late 1950s, the National Weather Service began measuring the levels of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere, with the worry that rising levels might someday disrupt the fragile balance that makes our planet so hospitable. And
I know that as an association, we look forward to this opportunity to gather together here in the White House, and you've been such great hospitable hosts to us over the years.
They are hospitable people.